Okay, so with me here is the all-new, much expected Tecno Camon 16, the premiere. Okay, we're going to be diving in right away to tell you all about what we have in this box. Come with me as we dive in. Now, the all-new Tecno Camon 16 coming into the box. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so of course on this side, like the regular Tecnos, you usually have like a pouch. On this side comes the phone. Isn't this lovely? So that's what it looks like. Clear. So it comes with this lovely color. On the back side, you've got this astronomical 64 MP camera. This is a quad camera, and you could imagine what the picture could look like. Now on the front side, of course, it's got a camera also, which you can see. That's like a 48 MP camera, which is also wonderful. So whichever way your phone goes, front or back side, you're still gonna have absolutely wonderful pictures. Now, well, basic things that you just need to know. On the side panel here, this is so beautiful. It comes with a fingerprint. And this is unique, you know, for this. So you have your fingerprint here for you to be able to have some extra security feature. So that's what comes on this side. On the battery life is really also very okay. We got 45 milliamp battery on this phone. Another thing that is wonderful about the Tecno Camon 16 is, of course, 128 gig of storage, so you can have all your pictures, all your videos just on the phone before even thinking about a memory card. Okay, the RAM is also wonderful. You got 8 gig RAM, so that means the speed of this phone is going to be beautiful. Well, this comes normally, of course, the charger with a USB end on this side. This is a USB type A to a USB type C port. So it comes with a USB type C that goes into the phone. So you have a type C coming into the phone, and then you have the USB type A coming right in here. Also, it comes with an earpiece, so you already have a wired earpiece with this phone, and then this could be used to help with your SIM card opening. So this is all about it with the Tecno Camon 16. I hope you have a wonderful time using this phone, and whenever you need this phone, please come to www.icdcard.com to order this phone. We have them at wonderful prices. Give us a call now. Thank you.